Volcanic lightning, a cup shortage, and chugging chili.
Here are 5 things to know before you go to bed. The Mount Etna volcano in Sicily was the site of a powerful eruption Thursday night. The volcanic activity sent bolts of lightning streaking across the sky. Experts say volcanic storms are rare, but that they do happen when eruptions are especially violent or when the volcano is near water.
Starbucks and retailers around the country are reporting a shortage of disposable coffee cups. The chain says customers may receive their coffee in an unbranded cup due to the ongoing supply chain issues. Imported cups are experiencing big delays, and the domestic employee shortage is affecting plastic cup production as well.
Bars across Las Vegas are celebrating the end of the state's mask mandate by saying bottoms up. Several bars are giving out free shots if you turn in your mask. Nevada's governor lifted the state's public mask mandate Thursday.
Chicken wings this Super Bowl could cost an arm and a leg. Demand for chicken, and particularly wings, since the pandemic began has left Super Bowl fans wondering how much the popular menu item will cost them this Sunday. Industry experts say wings will certainly be higher than in years past. The National Chicken Council projects wing consumption will be around $1.42 billion on game day.
Bengals fans hope to throw down some serious chili during the Super Bowl. And in big moments for the Bengals, some may be in a chili chug for glory. Clips of people chugging Skyline chili are taking over the internet. True Cincinnati chili is piled with shredded cheddar cheese, served on spaghetti, and beans are optional. There you go. There are 5 things to know before you go to bed.